Hi friends, my name is Dr.Bharath Chandra. Welcome to this video on the updates of Suryoday Small Finance Bank and Nazara Technologies IPO. First one, Suryoday Small Finance Bank. IPO dates 17 to 19th March. Issue price 303 to 305 per share. The subscriptions on day 1 are as follows. Institutions so far not subscribed. HNIs 0.04 times subscribed. Retail investors 0.84 times subscribed. Total 0.42 times subscribed. Grey market premium as on today is rupees 25 to 30 rupees per share. That means it's a percentage rise on the issue price of 8 to 10%. Observation number 1, grey market premium is almost flat 8 to 10% only as of now. Subscription also has been quite dull on day 1 compared to the other IPOs. So it looks like investors are not very excited about this IPO as of now. 2. All three situations are possible for this IPO. Positive listing is possible, flat listing or even negative listing because grey market premium is flat. Also, after listing, how it will trade is dependent on its fundamentals and overall market sentiment. Suppose the overall markets are quite dull, then this IPO after listing may start falling also. And in the next few months, once fundamentals are released, quarterly results are released, if the results are not so good, then also the share price could fall. I'm repeating the Suryoday Small Finance Bank financials. 2018 March 324 crores total revenue, profit after tax 11 crores. 2019 597 crores total revenue, profit 90 crores. 2020 March total revenue 854 crores, profit after tax 111 crores. 9 months ending 31st December 2020, 689 crores total revenue, profit after tax approximately 55 crores. Now moving on to the next IPO, Nazara Technologies. IPO dates are the same, 17th to 19th March. Today is the second day. Issue price 1100 to 1101 per share. Subscriptions are as follows as of now. Institutions 0.36 times subscribed. HNIs 2.85 times subscribed. Retail investors 16.75 times subscribed. Total 4.01 times subscribed already on day 1. Grey market premium 860 rupees to 900 rupees per share. So percentage wise it's 78 to 82% above the issue price. Observations. Number 1, grey market premium is very good at 78 to 82% as of now. Subscription also has been good on day 1. So there seems to be a lot of interest from investors in this IPO. Point number 2, however, the quota for retail investors is only 10% since the average profits of Nazara Technologies for the last 3 years is negative, and hence majority of the applicants will not get allotment. 3. Most likely this IPO will list positively. However, we need to be aware of how other IPOs have traded after listing day. Many of the IPOs have fallen by 25% from the highest level reached on the listing day. So what happens is these IPOs list very well and then it goes higher and people buy at the higher level, and from that higher level it starts falling, and already many IPOs which have recently come have fallen by 25% as of now. So be aware of this fact before applying for any IPO. Nazara Technologies financials. 2018 March 182 crores total revenue, profit after tax 1 crore. 2019 March 186 total revenue, profit after tax 6.71. 2020 March 262 crores total revenue, profit after tax, in fact it's a loss, minus 26 crores. 6 months ending 30th September 2020, 207 total revenue, profit after tax approximately, in fact it's a loss once again, minus 10 crores. We are personally not investing in both these IPOs, but you can take your own decision based on this video. Watch this video twice. Watch our previous videos on Nazara Technologies and Suryoday Small Finance Bank, and if you get confidence that you can make profit in that, you can invest based on your own research. Don't invest blindly just because somebody is telling you to invest. Do your own research. You need to get that confidence before investing. If this video was useful for you, type useful in the comment section. If you like this video, press the like button and share this video with all your friends. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and all the best.